Hey everyone, today we have an action camera and the name or the brand is hiicam Speed 10. Let's look at the box like always. In front you can see what is the picture. In the back this side I have nothing. And this side, it's wrote a little bit. Okay, let's look inside the box to see what exactly we have. User manual. Two batteries, the action cam, the action cam with already inside the plastic box or the box to go underwater. Oh yeah, I forget to mention, let's open it. At the same time, I'm going to take it out. On top you have a OK button. On this side here you have a 64 card D, and here you have two button if you want. Okay, that's the plastic box to go underwater. You can go, they said you can go to 134 feet underwater with that box. Okay, action accessory now. What we have? Oh my lord, I think we have a lot. Strap for the wrist, for the arm wrist. When it's time to charge those two battery, the charger. You have a lot of, oh here, look at that. Here you have two buttons when it's time to record or stop or play. And you have a lot of, how to say that, to put on your wrist, or to put on your dash, or this is a lot of accessory. If you want to put it on your bicycle, okay. And now, you know something? I think we're going to try it. We're going to change camera. We're going to go with the 5K or the 4K. I think it's a 5K. And let's see. No, before that, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you what we have for function. Let's do that. I'm going to take a battery. Okay, to open it, you have a button in front. 1, 2, 3. Et voila. Action cam. I'm going to wait. Oh, a small music. And et voila. So that's a 4K 30 frame per okay. And the battery is full. What we have exactly inside there. Start recording. No, it's not that I want to do. Let me show you. Here you have normal video, slow video, loop video. After that you have a time-lapse video, normal photo, and auto timer photo at the end. Oops, wait. Hey, voila, now you see it better now. Okay. So, I'm going to put on normal video. And we're going to change the camera, and I'm going to show you how the picture is on this guy here. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now you can see me now, and the thing I don't like about it is you don't have a small screen in the front, so like that you can do some not FaceTime video, but at least you can not see exactly what you're doing. So that's the thing. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to walk around the house. I'm turning the other side. Like that. Okay. So now I'm walking with it. I'm walking with the machine, with the cam. And the best thing to see if the stabilizer is on, I'm going to get down like that. You're going to see if the stabilizer is on. Okay, let's go up. Okay, that's another thing I don't like. Right, I'm going to stop it now. Okay, part 2. So I'm going to do it again. Going down the stairs, and what I did, I put it in 5K. Okay, going up the stairs. Okay, let's go outside now. My dog. Okay, so now you can see the quality of the picture now. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, so we are inside now. And let's go upstairs and finish that video. Okay, let's go upstairs and finish that video. This is my pit bull who just did that. My dog. Okay, and now I'm going to change again, go on the other one. Oh no, you know something? Let's finish with this guy here. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in another one.